Alright, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned Honda Civic LX. Alright, it's a 2016. It's got 8,000 miles on it. It's taffeta white in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney, Salinas Honda. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. Alright, it does come with the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape here. Once again, it's a 2016, 8,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the two-tone door panel here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the gray cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. Got your cup holders here. Two keyless entry key fobs. Some center console storage there. This will slide up. Passenger seat looks great. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. Climate control area here. Radio display and backup camera here, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your cruise control on this side of the steering wheel audio and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 8,692 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay. Also got the backup camera. Let's go ahead and engage that. Alright. Once again, got your climate control area here. Okay. Let's hop out, take a look in the back seat. We'll also check out your trunk space. Door panels back here in great shape. Carpet back here nice and clean, no staining. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues at all there. Let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. Take a look in the trunk. The nice plastic protector mat in here. Go ahead and lift this up. Got your jack and spare tire underneath. I'll step to the side. You can really see the depth. Lots of room in the back of this Civic. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. See, we've got 16-inch steel wheels. The nice hubcaps on there. All right, tires are in great shape. This is just a little rock here. Let me get that out. The tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a 2016. Hold on, let me shut the hood here. Alright, once again, 2016 Honda Civic LX. It's certified. Okay, 8,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. It's a local trade. It's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.